These fenders are steel. Cab, all that's aluminum. So we're definitely going to hit this and the tent. And part of the step with aircraft stripper in a can. Hey, we're back again. I am continuing to use this stripper in a can, and I'm putting it on my aluminum fuel tank here of the 56 Kenworth, and trying to spray this on nice and thick so I get all that goodness. Look at how many times this was painted before. Different colors of turquoise. I like that turquoise. That is adhesive from No Slip. Those strips somebody put on there, that's going to be tough to get off. The stripper is not taking care of it. That brown is like the brown sealer for the aluminum. And that stuff is tough. It is really on there. And then the back of the tank as well. Guess back in 1957 they wanted a tank that was painted other than bare aluminum or polished aluminum. You know, this was a work truck. That's aluminum too. Oh, that's gotta go. All right. We'll give that about an hour, and
shut up and sit down.